Hello everybody, it's YouTube's favorite channel, Dammit Studios. Honestly everybody's, honestly. Let's just be real here for a minute. My name is Fleece Gazebo and we're gonna be doing a new segment today. Segment is called Royalty Free Repurposing. It's where we go through all of your favorite YouTube tracks that are royalty free, and we make them even more your favorite. Alright, let's go through some of these tracks and we'll find something. Okay, so I think we found this track. It's called City Plaza by this dude Dan Bodan. I don't know. Okay, so first I tapped out the BPM. It's about 80 and change. Then I sped it up to 130 and stretched it out, so it sounds relatively the same. I also transposed it 7 semitones, and you end up with this effect. Next, I made this sort of kick snare pattern just by itself. It sounds something like this. Next, I made these 2 percussive instruments. One's a bit of a shaker. The other one, I just call it a ting. Ting, that's all I got. Also, I almost forgot, you gotta add some sort of hi-hats in there, so I added some pretty mellow following hi-hats. Next, I made some 8-bit stabs in Massive, and then I exported them to audio to mess with them further. Okay, I liked the stabs so much that I decided to add an arpeggio under it. It sounds like this. Okay, lastly, I made a nice little sub. I made it so that it sidechains to the kick and snare. It sounds like this. After a lot of time and frustration, here is what I came up with, and I will be showing you footage from my computer and from my phone. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for royalty-free repurposing. I'm Fleece Gazebo. If you enjoyed what you saw, maybe give us a subscribe. Please give us a subscribe. Maybe click the bell button. We got nobody, man. Look at those subscribers. We got 18 subscribers. Those 18 know I fucking love you. I hope you know that. I love you. Love you. We've also got a SoundCloud, Instagram. Look up Dammit Josh Studios. Give us a shot. We'll talk to you later. And yeah.